Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating just an eyeshadow look. As you can see, I've prepped my face. I hope you all are doing good, and if this is your first time here, my name is Estelle. So I have other videos where I basically do my foundation and every other process, but today I just wanted to twist things up, make this video short just by doing my face and come on here and do the shadows with you guys. So if you want to see how and what I'm about to create, just keep on watching. Without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. Today I'm just going to be playing with this Juvia's Place Warriors palette, just this palette. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's called Hydrating, and I'll place that all over my So I'll use this color here, Kafuru. In the black color in that palette. I'm just merging those two colors, just blending in everything. I'm using the same Hydrating we used on the crease. Now I'm bringing that color outwards. I'm using this to diffuse any harsh line. I'm using this setting spray, and you can use any setting spray you have. I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer. I'm going to use this white here and just brighten it a little bit. So I'm using this color here, Hydrating, just to bring life to this area of my eyes. Hope you guys are not hearing this AC noise. I'm lining my eyes using the Kiko waterproof eyeliner, and I'm going to use this brush. So I'm going to do my other eyes and I will be right back. Alright, so this is it for the eyes. I just basically do the liner for these other eyes, then pop on my lashes. We're going to do the rest of the face, and that will be it for this look. So I'm going to line my waterline. Now I'm going to smoke out my under eyes. I'm going to go in with this kofuru. Now I'll go in with my blush. I'm going to use these two here. I'm going to use this Maybelline Superstay Ink crayon. I'm going to go by with this Lottie London lip gloss oil. This is how we are looking, but my inner eyes need some popping, so I'm going to take this my highlighter and hi guys, we are here. This is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you do, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That helps me a lot. Thumbs up this video, leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I love to see you guys again in my next video. Bye guys.